Hello everyone, welcome to Oracle F1 channel. So in this video, what we are going to discuss about that Oracle database, and they have released Oracle 19c and 23ai and 21c. The release update, latest release update, July. They released on July 18th, and it is release version 19.28 release update. So we are going to talk about 4 Oracle 23ai enhancement now available in Oracle 19c, the release version 19.28 release update. So with this latest Oracle database 19c release update RU 19.28, several key features previously available only in Oracle 23ai are now supported. This update introduces 4 notable capabilities that enhance developer productivity and simplify database management. So that four several features they have already discussed in previous release versions, and also now we are going to talk about 4 important consideration enhancement implemented on 19.28 release update. So first thing, it is DBMS underscore developer PLSQL package. It is purely for the developer package, offers a faster and more flexible way to retrieve metadata for database objects. Instead of XML, it returns metadata in JSON format, making integration with tools and services easier. It is also allows adjusting the level of detail returned, improving performance and control. So this cool feature. It's purely for the developer, DBAs and development team. It has these features can be utilized in the release version of 19.28 release update. And another one, the second thing's important note is if not exist syntax support. So this is a syntax support. It's using that class, that if class or exist class. So the if not exist class is now supported in DDL operations also for creating, altering, and dropping objects. So we can put that class for if that the object is available, it will alter or drop. If not, it won't alter or drop it or any object or creating. So we can use if not exist in the class now supported in DDL operations. This helps avoid errors when object already exist or don't exist, making scripts more reliable and easier to maintain. So now that operation, it is very helpful for our DBAs and DBA whenever we are performing any altering table spaces, adding data files, and dropping objects. So creating an object. So we can use it for that if not exist class. It will be easier to reliably manage and maintain. This is one of the very cool new feature in 19.28 release update enhancement. So Oracle has implemented. And another one, so the schema annotations. This is for it's purely for the application team, application development team. So it can be utilized with the schema annotation. Developers can attach structured metadata to database objects using simple name value pairs. This annotation helps store business specific or UI related information directly within the database, supporting consistency across the applications. So whenever that application teams creating or developer creating a schema objects, they are going to define. So you can use for the schema annotations. So this specific schema, it is for that particular applications. So we can simplify the name value. We can specify the name. So it will be easier to understand and identify that objects, which objects it belongs to which schema, which applications. So we can mention the schema annotation. It will be helpful for the developers, DBA development and application team. And another one important cool new enhancement is a SQL diagnostic report. This is fantastic tool and implementation, and they have implemented and they brought in for the 19.28 release update. It is effectively helpful for that core DBAs and DBAs, SMEs, or whoever is working for the performance related issues. So that new report underscore SQL function in DBMS underscore SQL dia generates detailed diagnostic reports in HTML format. This includes execution history, non-default settings, optimizer statistics, and index detail, making it easier to investigate and resolve the SQL query slowness performance issues. So it will be very helpful for the DBAs and DBAs who is working for that SQL diagnostic report, as well as that application team for looking for their creating. So we can pull up the report and giving to that application team to get the dig into that further for any further SQL tuning possibilities. So this is the most this is the four new enhancement included in that 19.28 release update. So for this case, I just and updated. I applied my patches on 19.28 release update on my database, my lab databases. So I am going to explore and give you that one of the all the new features in in my upcoming videos. So I am going to deliver all the 23 AI new features, and also that SQL diagnostic report, and also and another new feature is called that MFA. So the database users can be logged in via that MFA. So that is also I am going to deploy. I am going to use. I am going to explore and give a demo to you to get to know about more details. And so that is the case. I have already applied and patched. Just completed my patches, and it is this is the latest patches and I applied. So I'm going to deliver on my next video password that multi-factor authentication, how it is working. Multi-factor authentication, it's required for 19.28 release update. So and also it is required for that wallet. So we need to install the wallet also, and also we need to configure the HTTP and NTP and the SMTP mail servers. So delivering and configuring and testing out how the Duo authentication push notification works while logging into that DB database user login. So it will send a notification to Duo. That will we need to give a confirmation on that Duo code, the push notification. Based on that code confirmation, you can be able to log into that database. So it's one of the awesome features. It's enabled in 19.28 release update. So we are going to discuss further. Thanks for watching Oracle F1 channel. See you on next video.